Everyone knows also when you go trick-or-treating, there are some houses that you definitely want to hit, and then there are some houses that you definitely want to avoid, like your town dentist. There are also some athletes' houses, you may be surprised, that you want to steer clear of their houses tonight. Athletes like A-Rod. Stay away from his house. He hands out apples on Halloween with syringes in them. You also don't want to trick-or-treat at Tony Romo's house, because you'll choke on his candy. And don't bother ringing Sam Hinkie's bell. He's Philadelphia 76ers GM, and he traded away all of this year's candy in the hopes of getting better candy next year. It's an inside joke. You should definitely avoid Riley Cooper's house. He only hands out white chocolate.
Everybody got that one.
And finally, this one should be obvious, but no sense in trick-or-treating at John Daly's place. Firstly, because I hear he lives in a van, and secondly, because he ate all the candy yesterday. One last pro tip, if you want to maximize your Halloween haul, the best athlete's house to visit is Matt Schaub's, because he lets you pick 6.
You get it?
Boom. Get it? Waka waka. All right, baseball legend Reggie Jackson is now entering the studio. We'll chat with him when we return.